Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a very popular recipe of how to make ice cream at home, which is loved by everyone, especially kids. It's a hot favorite during summer season. I will be making two flavors of ice cream. One, the basic vanilla ice cream and a chocolate ice cream. Before I go ahead, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will be using the following ingredients for the ice cream. Whipping cream 3 cups, condensed milk 1.5 cup, vanilla essence 1 tablespoon, chocolate chips 2 tablespoons, cocoa powder 3 tablespoons. I have added 1 teaspoon of coffee powder to the mixture, which will give our chocolate ice cream an amazing flavor. I have taken 3 cups of chilled whipping cream. Let us start by whipping the cream for our ice cream. I will be whipping it on the first number at a slow speed for around 3 minutes. After whipping the cream for 3 minutes on slow speed, I increased the speed for another 3 minutes till I got soft peaks. These are very soft peaks. This is how we require our cream to be whipped. Now I shall add the vanilla essence, the milk maid, and give it a nice mix. Our creamy mixture for vanilla ice cream is ready. Now we shall pour half the mixture into a container . We shall place an airtight cover over it and place it in the freezer for 8 hours. To the cocoa powder, we shall add a little cold milk and make a paste out of it. To the remaining mixture, we shall add the cocoa and coffee paste and give it a very slight whisk with the electric beater. We shall mix it together . Add half of the choco chips to the mixture. Our chocolate ice cream mixture is ready. Pour it into a container . Sprinkle it with the remaining choco chips. Place an airtight cover on it and put it into the freezer to set for 8 hours. So friends, our vanilla creamy ice cream and our chocolate creamy ice cream is ready. We shall scoop it out with an ice cream scooper. You can see the texture, very creamy. Now we shall serve the chocolate ice cream. Sprinkle some choco chips on it. So friends, our vanilla ice cream and chocolate ice cream is ready to be eaten. If you wish, You can drizzle your vanilla ice cream with a little strawberry syrup or chocolate syrup as per your taste. Do make this at home for your family and friends, especially the kids in your family, and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.